Hey guys, Caleb here. I just want to shoot a quick video for you about Magic Submitter because in the past 5 or 6 months since I started using it, my income from SEO has increased by a lot and I want the same thing to happen to you. So let me show you what Magic Submitter is all about and how you can get started on using Magic Submitter to increase the profits in your business. So let's get started. You may be thinking, what the heck is Magic Submitter? Well, it's an all-in-one SEO software that creates backlinks quickly and easily. Now you may be thinking, how in the heck can it help me in my business? Well, it can rank websites, videos, articles, and anything else you want. It can help you rank websites and videos for product reviews, such as this one you're watching right now, to make you a lot of money very quickly. And it can help you rank press releases on popular trends, such as the latest celebrity news, to bring you a lot of traffic and money in a short amount of time. It can also help the search engines see that your website has social media activity. As we all know, social media is becoming a bigger factor in the algorithm as the days go on with Google and other search engines. Magic Submitter will only help you in the future by showing social media signals to the search engines for your website. It'll also build high quality links, vary your anchor text, and create many different kinds of links to help you recover from the Google Penguin update or prevent your website from being penalized by the Google Penguin update. And it's the only software you really ever need to rank your websites. Okay, now you may be thinking, what does it exactly offer as such in the software? It has unlimited anchor text variation you can use. It has over 2,000 backlinks from 2,000 different domains you can create on almost autopilot. It also has a lot of different link types you can use, such as social bookmarks, article directories, video submissions, website directories, blogs, profile links, Web 2.0s, pligs, wikis, press releases, PDFs, and the list goes on. And you can easily add sites that you want to get backlinks from if they aren't already one of the 2,000 websites already. It also has frequent updates with new features and to fix any minor bugs or problems people may have found. It has a campaign wizard to help you set up your backlinking campaigns easily and quickly. It easily designs backlinking templates for link pyramids, tiered linking, and different backlinking types. And it creates accounts automatically and verifies those accounts to make sure they work. It also scrapes backlinks for tons of different kinds of link types. It scrapes proxies to diversify your backlinks even more. It spins your content easily and effectively. It gets all of your backlinks indexed so you don't just create them and they sit there while the search engines never index them. It solves all CAPTCHA verifications. You can easily schedule backlinking campaigns. You can create professional reports for yourself or your customers if you do SEO for your clients. It has great training to help you along the way with videos and webinars. And if you have any questions, they provide Q&A webinars and around-the-clock support to answer any questions you have or to fix any problems you are having. Now, how do you get started to increase the profits in your business by ranking your websites at the top of the search engines? Click the link below this video and you can have your first campaign ready and going in virtually no time at all.